Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera. So now let's just take some photo just for an example, and now I'm going to show you how you can disable this feature. So you go to settings, then go to photos, and here you have selfie photo mirror. So you just disable this feature right here. And now let's take another photo, with front camera. And as you can see on this photo we have like this lightning from the right side, and on this one from the left side, because these photos are mirrored. Something like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.